Sony has been a pioneer in the world of mirrorless cameras for more than a decade, and it's still one of the world's largest and most popular camera manufacturers. Whether improving on sensor and autofocus technology or making one of the most compact full-frame cameras on the market, Sony remains an innovative brand that continues to drive the mirrorless market forward. Sony produces a range of different models to suit various budgets and experience levels, so you're sure to find a camera that fits your needs. Today, we break down the top 5 Sony cameras, and below, you'll find our rundown of the best Sony cameras for photography, video, and everything in between. All of the product links listed in this video are in the description below. For more detail and information, visit our website, like this video, subscribe to our channel. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5. Sony RX100 VII, Best Point and Shoot Camera. Small, powerful, and lightning fast, the Sony RX100 is a premium compact camera that delivers stunning results. With its 20-megapixel one-type stacked CMOS sensor and Zeiss Vario Sonar T lens, this camera produces sharp, vibrant images, making it versatile for any shoot. Compared to similar models, its 0.2-second autofocus and real-time eye tracking set it apart, ensuring your subject stays in focus, whether you're capturing people or animals. When shooting video, the 4K HDR recording with active image stabilization provides smooth footage, even while walking. That's a game changer for vloggers and filmmakers alike. Plus, the microphone jack gives your videos professional-grade audio, something rarely found in cameras this size. Blackout-free continuous shooting at up to 20 frames per second, and single-burst shooting at 90 frames per second allows you to capture fast-moving action without missing a beat. I love how easy it is to frame shots from different angles using the tilting LCD screen, especially for hard-to-reach perspectives. Despite its compact design, this camera competes with larger, more expensive models in terms of features and quality. Few cameras can pack so much tech into such a small frame. In the end, the RX100 VII feels like a powerhouse you can carry in your pocket. Number 4. Sony Alpha ZVE1. Our best pick for vlogging. Vlogging just got an upgrade with the Sony Alpha ZVE1. Its full-frame 12.1-megapixel Exmor-R sensor brings stunning 4K footage with low noise and breathtaking bokeh. This camera is ideal for content creators needing both image quality and flexibility. With 15+ stops of latitude, you'll capture every detail in challenging lighting conditions. The AI processing unit delivers a 60% improvement in human eye recognition, outperforming many similar models when it comes to precise tracking. Recording smooth, steady shots is effortless, thanks to 5-axis in-body stabilization and dynamic active mode, making handheld filming a breeze. The intelligent 3-capsule microphone is a game-changer for vloggers, capturing crystal-clear audio from any direction. Customizing it for front, rear, or all-around sound gives you full control over your audio experience. One standout feature is the zoom lever, which works seamlessly with powered zoom lenses and even provides clear image zoom for prime lenses. You'll appreciate how it cuts down the need to carry multiple lenses. The cinematic vlog setting simplifies creating high-quality, professional-looking content. For me, its blend of AI precision and easy-to-use video features makes this an incredible tool for vloggers. It's a versatile, compact camera that delivers fantastic results. Number 3. Sony Alpha 6700, our best pick for travel. Small, but mighty, the Sony Alpha 6700 is an impressive APS-C mirrorless camera packed with powerful features. Its 26-megapixel Exmor-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor delivers sharp, vibrant images that rival full-frame competitors. For anyone looking to film, 6K oversampled 4K 60p 10-bit recording offers incredible detail and dynamic range. With the Bionz XR processor, images are crisp and color accuracy is superb. You'll appreciate the dedicated AI processor for subject tracking. It locks onto moving objects with ease, even in challenging conditions. This AI-driven real-time recognition sets it apart from many similarly priced models. Filmmakers will also love the high frame rate 4K 120p recording, ideal for capturing smooth cinematic slow motion. The 5-axis optical stabilization ensures handheld shots stay steady, a feature especially handy for on-the-go creators. For those exploring various lighting conditions, the wide dynamic range helps capture details in both shadows and highlights. What truly stands out for me is the camera's ability to consistently deliver great results in diverse scenarios while staying lightweight and portable. With E-mount lens compatibility and its compact design, this camera is perfect for both hobbyists and serious creators. It's a strong contender in the mirrorless market, offering excellent performance in a small package. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7R5, our best runner-up. Get ready to level up your photography with the Sony Alpha 7R5. Its 61-megapixel XMOR-R sensor delivers jaw-dropping image quality, unmatched by most mirrorless cameras. Paired with an 8 times faster Bionz XR processor, you can shoot up to 10 frames per second with continuous AF tracking, making action shots a breeze. Real-time recognition autofocus with deep learning, AI sets this camera apart from similar models. It tracks subjects with incredible accuracy, even in challenging situations. Filmmakers will appreciate the 8K 24p video and the exceptional 15-plus stops of dynamic range, making footage rich and vibrant. You'll love the new 4-axis multi-angle monitor, offering tilting flexibility for both overhead and low-angle shots. With 8 steps of stabilization, handheld shooting feels smoother than ever before. A new algorithm controls stabilization with pixel-level precision, ensuring your images stay sharp. For rapid shooters, the ability to capture up to 583 compressed raw images continuously at 10 frames per second is a game-changer. Dual CFX Press Type A slots mean you won't run out of storage mid-shoot. What truly stands out? Its blend of incredible AI features with high-speed performance makes this a must-have for both photographers and filmmakers. Finally, introducing our best choice, Sony Alpha 7 IV. Capturing stunning images has never been this smooth. The Sony Alpha 7 IV brings a 33-megapixel full-frame XMOR-R CMOS sensor, delivering sharp, high-resolution shots that rival similar models in its class. If you need something for both photography and videography, this hybrid camera offers 4K 60p video recording with 10-bit 4.2.2 color, perfect for creators pushing the limits. You'll immediately notice the benefit of the 8 times more powerful Bionz XR image processing engine. It speeds up your workflow and dramatically improves autofocus. Real-time IAF is incredibly responsive, even when your subject isn't looking directly at the camera. Touch tracking also makes focusing on any subject a breeze, ensuring you never miss the shot. For filmmakers, S-Cinetone offers cinematic color straight out of the box. This feature, usually reserved for cinema cameras, gives your footage a professional touch. Whether shooting under tough conditions or varying light, the oversampling from 7K makes 4K recording stand out with rich detail. One of the best aspects? It handles beautifully across all formats without any pixel binning. You'll get clean, sharp images and videos no matter the setting. In short, this hybrid powerhouse raises the bar for photo and video enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video, and all of the product links you can find in the description below. Hope this information has been helpful to you in finding the perfect product for your needs. Subscribe to our channel and like this video.